Hey guys, it's George Floyd Parks After Dark. Well, we've not been here in a bit. We were at Sunset Walk right here, just outside Margaritaville, Orlando. Fantastic spot. It is a spot with restaurants and bars, a place to hear live music and get fast food and sit-down food, and they even got a Verizon cellular phone thing here and an Escapology, which is right there, which we had a great time in a while back. So, the reason we're here today is because of that nondescript building catches your attention. Well, it should, because that nondescript building is one of the best arcades in the area. So it's right directly across from, as I trip, Bahama Bucks, which is right there. And let's go on in. And this, my friends, this is Game Time. Game Time is right across from Bahama Bucks on Sunset Walk. It is great. And real quick, that's a big fan. So, what is it? So basically, there is a restaurant and a bar attached to it to the left. Inside, it breaks the whole entire area up into different sections. This whole section, right when you first walk in, are those grab games with the claws that come down. There's all the skill games, and there's ways for you to get the big prizes, but let's be honest, it costs a lot of money. Then they have the whole driving game section, which is really good. They got the big Space Invaders, which we love. Halo, which is hard to find, plus Transformers, Shadows Rising. Don't see those games in most places. The Carnival Wheel is a great one. And then they have the Red Cup Challenge. For our college friends, you know what that's all about. Digital Skee Ball, which is great. They have roller coasters, SpongeBob roller coasters. Kung Fu Panda games. They have, I'm telling you, this place has everything. They have a basketball shoot like you have at the carnival. They have one of our favorite rides ever, Typhoon. You guys know that. They have regular skee ball, air hockey, gigantic Connect Four. Kind of going to something really cool back here in a minute. I'll work away there. A lot of the skill games. And then they have you knock down little acorns. They had a clown throw, which kind of freaked me out a little bit, but still is a good game. But then what's really cool is they have a bowling alley. Yes, they have a bowling alley. Now it is a miniature bowling alley. So the balls are about that big, but it's awesome. And they have it so there's TV, sports playing all the time. So it's got kind of a sports bar kind of vibe to it. So it's really a cool spot. Back, more shooting games in the back. And we'll kind of wind back around here, and there's a lot more driving games. Okay, so how does this all really work out? Well, most of the games you earn tickets. You buy a card, like you do in most places. From the card you get credits. From the credits, you use that card to play your games, and there's just a swipe. And that's how you get to activate the game. And here, I'll show you one of the swipes right here. So like for this big, fast wheel, you basically swipe here, and the price is 8 credits, and then you pull the wheel and you get tickets. Those tickets, as you build up all your tickets from all the games you play, cash in for those prizes. Now, some of those prizes are a lot of tickets. Mostly in the case where you're going to end up going, but you never know. So that's where that is. So basically, this is by far one of the nicest, biggest arcades you'll find. It's here at Sunset Walk. So if you need to kill some time, we're now in May. So this is the world where it gets hot here. So in Florida, buckle in. You're going to want to hide from that sun, which is really hot today, into a very air-conditioned arcade like this. And guys, it's great. So come here, play some games, win some tickets, get some prizes that you can take home and tell your friends about, and get out of the heat. So with that being said, this is George Floyd Parks After Dark. We love Game Time. We love the big fan, and we love winning stuff. So do me a favor, find your way here. It's across from Bahama Bucks, then you get all worn out from playing games, go across the street and get an Italian icy. It's the best. So, like this video, subscribe to our channel. You help us get to 10,000. Get us to 11, please. But also, most importantly, comment on the videos. We love your comments. We want to make sure we answer them as many as we can as I run into a game behind me. And then with that being said, do me a favor. You guys take care of a fantastic day. I'll talk to you later.